Making money with affiliate marketing is easy. In this video, we'll be discussing how to make money with affiliate marketing. Before we begin, if you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. You know, affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, and it's a great way to monetize your website or blog. Basically, you promote someone else's product or service, and you earn a commission for every sale that you make. There are a few different ways to do affiliate marketing, and we'll discuss some of the most popular methods in this video. First, we'll discuss how to find good affiliate programs. There are a lot of affiliate programs out there, but not all of them are good programs. There are a few things to look for when choosing an affiliate program. First, make sure that the program is reputable and that it has a good track record. Second, make sure that the program offers a good commission rate. Third, make sure that the program has decent traffic. And finally, make sure that the program is a good fit for your website or blog. Once you've chosen an affiliate program, it's time to start promoting it. There are a few different ways to promote an affiliate program. You can promote it through your website or blog. You can promote it through social media, and you can promote it through paid advertising. There are a number of ways to promote an affiliate program through your website or blog. The best way to do this is to add a banner or text link to your website or blog. This will allow your visitors to easily find information about the affiliate program and sign up. You can find these banners and text links on the affiliate program's website. Another way to promote the affiliate program is to write a blog post about it. This will help to generate traffic to the affiliate program's website and increase sign-ups. You can also promote the affiliate program on social media websites like Facebook and Twitter. By using these methods, you can promote your affiliate program and increase sales. You can use social media to drive traffic to your affiliate program. You can also use it to build relationships with potential customers. And you can use it to create a loyal following for your business. If you want to use social media to promote your affiliate program, you need to create a social media campaign. The campaign should include a goal, a strategy, and a timeline. Your goal should be to increase traffic to your affiliate program. Your strategy should include the social media channels you will use, the content you will post, and the timing of your posts. Your timeline should include the start and end dates of your campaign and the milestones you will achieve along the way. And finally, you can promote the affiliate program through paid advertising. Paid advertising can be a great way to promote your affiliate program, and it can be a very effective way to reach more potential customers. By targeting your ads, you can make sure that your ads are seen by the right people, and this can help you to increase your sales. Ultimately, the best way to promote an affiliate program depends on your target audience and the type of affiliate program you are promoting. If you are targeting a specific audience and the affiliate program is a good fit for them, then social media is the best way to promote it. If you are targeting a wider audience or the affiliate program is not a good fit for your target audience, then paid advertising may be a better option. So those are a few of the best ways to make money with affiliate marketing. If you want to learn more, be sure to check out our other videos on affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.